How to draw diagrams?
pBR 322. So first we have to draw a circle like this, okay? Then again you have to draw one more circle. Then you have to make a partition. So then here this is a ampicillin resistant site and this is a tetracycline resistant site. So there is a site for recognition for BAM H1. Then this is a site for SAL1. Then this is a site of recognition for PVU2. Then this is ROP. Then this is a ORI site. Then there is a site recognition for PST. Then there is a recognition for PVU1. Then this is a site of recognition for the enzyme EcoR1. So here there are two consecutive sites for Hind third, and this is CLA1. You have to show in Roman numbers, okay? So don't do that mistake. That is why in order to show I had written like this. This is BAM H1. So this is a cloning vector pBR 322. So if you draw the diagram neatly and if you mention all the recognition side, definitely you are going to get full complete marks for this diagram.